Every homemaker dreams of speeding up cooking and being less responsible for it.
The latest technologies to help. This Turbo Chef pressure cooker from Berlinger Haus works wonders.
Why better than pot?
The name speaks for itself. Turbo cooker requires significantly less time to cook lunch or dinner than a pot.
By how much is the speed increased?
At 35%, cooking any dish in it is 3 to 5 times faster.
So fast?
Yes. Any toughest meat will be cooked in no more than an hour. And you can cook a chicken, for example, in it in just 15 minutes, instead of 45 minutes in a regular pot.
And what's the secret?
The Turbo Chef pressure cooker has a hermetically closing lid. During cooking, tightness ensures an increase in pressure, and therefore an increase in boiling temperature. That's all the trick.
Fits all stoves?
To everyone, and to induction ones too.
What volume?
6 liters. And that's not all. Turbo Chef saves energy as it requires less water and gas or electricity for cooking.
Can you only cook in turbo?
No, in a turbo cooker you can boil, stew, and steam cook. Turbo Chef can cook any products.
Universal miracle machine. One multi-cooker replaces all. I imagine making aspic quickly with it.
And one more plus. The Turbo Chef pressure cooker preserves flavors and tastes, as the airtight lid does not release steam, which condenses and returns to the pot.
Turbo Chef enhances dish quality, preserves vitamins, and provides benefits.
In addition, it features stainless steel, heat-resistant bakelite handles, a silicone ring for perfect tightness, and the Turbo Chef's Pride, a 3-layer capsule bottom.
Timer shows when dish is ready. Removable timer so you can put Turbo Chef in dishwasher. Dishwasher safe. I love you, girls.
Great news for Turbo Chef lovers. Price from the manufacturer only at Kaufbei.
Sum of €89.99.
Yes, Kaufbei makes a unique offer. Turbo Chef pressure cooker from Berlinger Haus. The total amount is €89.99.
Let's go. We cook fast, tasty, and save time.